হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ড, ওয়েলকাম মাই চ্যানেল। স্বাগতম আমার চ্যানেল। আমি রবীন মুখার্জি, সিভিল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং পাস আউট 1986, ওয়ার্ক এক্সপিরিয়েন্স অ্যাবাভ 30 ইয়ার্স। আমি আমার সোশ্যাল সাইটে ডেলি সিভিল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং এক্সিকিউশন রিলেটেড অ্যাক্টিভিটিস ওয়াইজ ভিডিও ছাড়ছি। আপনাদের সবাইকে রিকোয়েস্ট থাকবে আপনারা আমার পুরনো ভিডিওগুলো দেখে নেবেন এবং দেখলে অনেক কিছু জানতে পারবেন এবং শিখতে পারবেন। আজকের আমি ডিসকাস করব ইরিগেশন অ্যান্ড ড্রেনেজ প্রজেক্ট। টেকনিক্যাল নোটস। This should contain the following particulars: the full drainage level (FDL) or full supply level (FSL), the division of basin area on the basis of contours and existing ridge lines of roads and railway lines should be mentioned. The runoff index of rural area and semi-urban areas should be stated. A stage discharge curve should be prepared given the reference of the gauge reading. The gauge data of the proposed sluice site at chainage should be mentioned. Tide hookage at different points should be computed from the respective tide curves. Benefit. The following particulars are required under this head. A. Benefit during monsoon to grow more kharif by effective drainage, and B. Part benefit during past monsoon with the water available from the channels to grow rabi crop. Full and part benefit areas. Full benefit: paddy average kg per acre MT, straw average kg per acre MF. Straw average kg per acre MT. Partial benefit: paddy average kg per acre MT, straw average kg per acre MT. Total product: paddy in MT, straw in MT. Present benefit: paddy in MT equal to straw in MT. Net extra production available from this scheme: paddy equal to MT, straw MT. Value of estimated additional production after completion of this scheme: paddy equal to MT at the rate of rupees, straw equal to MT at the rate of rupee, latest rate ধরে নিতে হবে। Total value of estimated additional outturn production equal to rupees. Production cost of total production, input cost in fully benefit area equal to rupees. Cost of additional production from both fully and partially benefit area of this scheme rupees, less 15% considered as present achievement. Net additional cost for additional production equal to rupees. Net additional benefit after completion of the scheme equal to rupees. Total value of estimated outturn, net additional benefit rupees. Total estimated cost of the project equal to rupees. Operation and maintenance cost of the project at the rate of 16% of the capital cost rupees. Hence, benefit cost ratio equal to net additional benefit divided by operation plus maintenance cost. This ratio must be more than 1 in order to get sanction of the project. Hence, benefit cost ratio, net additional benefit divided by operation and maintenance cost. This ratio must be more than 1 in order to get sanction of the project. Gauge curve. A gauge curve, discharge curve for the canal should be drawn showing the sewerage, showing the average high water level and average low water level at the outfall sluice site. Design calculation. This includes calculation of full drainage level FDL of the canal, calculation of drainage for the canal basin drainage, design of canal, etc. Statement. Flood damage. This includes statement of flood damage and relief measure during the period of inundation in connection with the canal, i.e. that is the average loss per year in rupees. Flood damage and relief measures after completion of the scheme. This is the statement of value of damage to crop and flood damage and relief measure after completion of the scheme. This is the statement of value of damage to crops and houses in rupees after completion of the scheme. Benefit cost ratio. Annual benefit of the proposed scheme in rupees divided by operation and maintenance cost, usually 16% of the capital. The ratio must be more than 1 in order to get sanction of the scheme. Report. This is a report written on the estimate and includes a statement of basin area, necessity of the estimate, utilization of spoil earth, construction of necessary bridges, rates followed, total cost and how to be financed. General abstract of the cost. This includes the name of the scheme and cost of different subheads are added up as shown below. The detailed cost of each subhead is not shown in the abstract cost. A. Preliminary expenses, land expenses, regulator expenses, cross drainage expenses, bridge expenses, building expenses, earthwork expenses, totals and plant expenses. Maintenance during construction at the rate of 1% of all except land. Contingency at the rate of 3% of all items except land. Water charges establishment at the rate of 0% on the total item except land, equal to grand total. নেক্সট ভিডিওতে আমি অ্যাবস্ট্রাক্ট অফ কস্ট অফ এস্টিমেট সম্বন্ধে ডিসকাস করব। আজকের ইরিগেশন অ্যান্ড ড্রেনেজ প্রজেক্টের এইটুকুই ডিসকাস থাকলো। আপনারা ভিডিওগুলোকে ভালোভাবে লক্ষ্য করবেন এবং দেখবেন, এবং ভালো লাগলে চ্যানেলটিকে লাইক করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। বেশি বেশি করে শেয়ার করবেন যাতে বেশি সংখ্যক ভিউয়ার্স এই চ্যানেলটি থেকে উপকৃত হতে পারে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, বাই।